This is not what you think it is. Every star you've ever seen, every black hole, every galaxy, is just a tiny piece of something so massive, our minds can't fully understand it. But here's the crazy part, scientists believe 95% of the universe is missing. Gone. Invisible. We don't know what it is or where it went. And the part we can see, it's full of mysteries that are stranger than science fiction. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll show you the shocking truth. The universe isn't just expanding, it might be escaping. And you're a tiny part of a story that's bigger, weirder, and more beautiful than anything you've ever imagined. 1. The universe is not what it seems. When we look up at the sky, we see stars, galaxies, planets, beautiful lights in the dark. But guess what, that's only 5% of what's really out there. The rest is made of two invisible things, dark matter and dark energy. We don't know what they are. We can't see or touch them. But they shape our universe. Dark matter is like a hidden skeleton, holding galaxies together. Dark energy is something even more powerful, pushing the universe to grow faster and faster. Even Einstein didn't see this coming. His math showed the universe should be shrinking. But it's doing the opposite, expanding faster every second. Why, we still don't know. And that's only the beginning. 2. The Big Bang was not the beginning. You've probably heard of the Big Bang, the start of everything. But here's the truth, it wasn't a normal explosion. It was the birth of time and space itself. Before the Big Bang there was no before. Just like there's no north of the North Pole. And some scientists now believe the Big Bang wasn't the only one. There could be infinite universes, like bubbles floating in a bigger ocean. Each bubble with different rules. Different realities. Maybe even a version of you where you never existed. Or where stars are square. Or where gravity doesn't work. Sounds like sci-fi, right? But it's real science. It's called the multiverse theory. And it might explain why our universe exists at all. 3. The universe is alive, kind of. Galaxies might look peaceful. But they're not. They're actually eating each other. Right now, the Milky Way is slowly swallowing 12 smaller galaxies. And in about 4.5 billion years, we'll crash into the Andromeda Galaxy. It will be a beautiful disaster, stars flying, new ones being born, chaos turning into order. Even black holes, the scariest things in space, aren't just destroyers. They help create galaxies, fuel stars, and spread energy across space. They're like cosmic recyclers. What they eat helps new things grow. And yes, even black holes will die one day. They'll vanish into nothing. And when they do, the universe will forget they ever existed. 4. Your atoms are ancient travelers. Let me blow your mind. The atoms in your body are billions of years old. The iron in your blood, it came from a star that exploded long before Earth was born. The calcium in your bones, made in a supernova light years away. You are literally made of stardust. You're not just in the universe, you are the universe. But here's what's wild, life like us should not exist. Space is cold, empty, dangerous. And yet somehow you're here, watching this video. Are we a lucky accident, or is the universe trying to understand itself through us? 5. How will it all end? Let's talk about the future, the really far future. One day, stars will burn out. Galaxies will drift apart. Everything will go cold and dark. This is called the Big Freeze, a quiet end to everything. But there are other ideas too. In the Big Rip, dark energy gets stronger and stronger until it rips apart stars, atoms, even time itself. Or maybe the universe will fall back into itself a big crunch and start all over again. Some scientists think this isn't even real life. That we're living in a hologram, like a projection on a cosmic screen. Others believe consciousness creates reality. That we shape the universe by observing it. And if that's true, what happens when no one is left to watch final thoughts? Here's the truth: you are a pattern of atoms, held together by cosmic forces, watching a video on a rock floating in space. And yet you matter. Because every discovery we make brings us closer to the truth. Are we alone? Are there other universes? Is this real, or a simulation? We may never have all the answers. But that's okay. The universe isn't a riddle to be solved. It's a story we get to be part of. So if this made you wonder even just a little, hit that like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. What do you think is hiding out there in the shadows of the universe? Because we're just getting started.